Hello everybody, welcome to Adnits by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. The question is, which of the following gases will have least RMS speed, that is minimum RMS speed, at a given temperature? It means what? Temperature is constant. So, you are given four options: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen or carbon dioxide. What is the formula for RMS speed? Vrms is equal to square root of 3RT divided by M. What is R? Universal gas constant. Okay, that's all. What is T? Temperature. So it has been given that at a given temperature. So at a given temperature means what? For all the gases, the temperature is the same. So the R and T are constants. In short, the numerator is a constant. It means what? Vrms is directly proportional to 1 by root m. And you can also see it is inversely proportional to square root of m. It means what? For which gas the molar mass is the greatest, it will have the least speed. So you know that the molar mass for hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 32 and nitrogen is 28, and in the case of carbon dioxide it is 44. The gas with more molar mass, that is carbon dioxide, M is equal to 44, will have the least RMS speed at a given temperature. So option D is the right answer. Okay, that's all. We will see one more question from this chapter, Kinetic Theory of Gases, in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.